How to request a refund for a ChatGPT subscription. Hi guys, let's get started. But before we start, keep in mind that although they have a refund policy and accept refund requests, it's not exactly same for every country. So if you live in the EU, UK or Turkey, you are eligible for a GPT Plus refund. And this also only if you cancel a subscription within 14 days of purchase. However, if you are based in the US or India or China or any kind of other countries that are not EU, UK or Turkey, you are not eligible for refund, unfortunately. So you should only purchase a ChatGPT subscription if you're sure about it. However, if you're eligible for a refund based on this, you can send an email to refunds@openai.com. So just open up your mailbox. And although you might not like ChatGPT Plus, you can of course use ChatGPT to write you a GPT Plus refund request. Just open up your regular ChatGPT and type down, "Write me a ChatGPT refund request email," and hit the enter button. ChatGPT will simply prepare an email for you. Now you can just copy the email and paste it to the message box and then send it. But before you send it, please make sure to edit some of the information such as date, name, and so on. This is how to request a refund on your GPT Plus subscription. I really hope this video is going to help you out, and thank you for watching till the end.